Today, we will see how to use Duolingo to learn a language on your phone. First of all, install the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on the icon to open it. When the app opens, you will be asked to get started by creating a new account or log in if you already have one. After creating your account, you will be asked a few setup questions before you begin. First, select the language you want to learn as an English speaker. I am selecting German, but you can choose any language according to your preference. Next, the app will begin building your course. Before that, you need to select where you heard about the Duolingo app. Since you are watching this video, select YouTube and move to the next step. On this page, choose your current level of knowledge in the selected language, such as beginner or having some prior knowledge. Select the option that best matches your level and continue. After that, select the reason why you want to learn this language. You can choose one or more options and then move to the next page. Now, select the amount of time you can dedicate daily to learning. To learn faster, I am selecting 20 minutes per day and then tapping on I'm committed to continue. On the next screen, you will see what you can achieve in the next 3 months with this learning plan. Next, you will be asked to choose a plan. Super Duolingo is a paid option that offers learning without ads, but you can also start with the free version that includes ads. Select the option that suits your needs and continue. You will then be asked whether you want to start from scratch, which is recommended for beginners, or find your level if you already have some knowledge. Select one option to proceed, and there you go. You are now on the home page. Here you can start learning your selected language through interactive lessons that feel like games, making the learning process engaging and enjoyable. At the top of the screen, you will see a flag icon. Tap on it to view your current course language, or to add another language by tapping on the plus icon. You can scroll through the list to select a new course. You can also see your daily streak at the top, along with diamonds and energy points that help unlock premium features. From the bottom menu, move to the next tab. Here you will find daily quests that help you earn rewards, as well as upcoming offers to earn more bonuses. In the next tab, you can compete with other users, but you need to complete at least 9 lessons to unlock this feature. You can also add friends to track their learning progress and share updates. In the next tab, you can view your active subscription and explore other paid plans. Choose a plan if you want to upgrade. From the bottom right corner, tap on the 3 dots, then select the profile option. Your profile page will appear on the screen, where you can customize your profile. At the top, tap on the image icon to create a new avatar using the available options. You can complete your profile setup and view an overview of your learning progress. From the top right side, tap on the gear icon to open the settings page where you can explore all available settings. Go back to the account page, tap on the 3 dots again, and here you will find options such as video calls, which are available for paid users, and practice features that help you improve speaking, listening, and error recognition through daily practice. This is how you can use the Duolingo app to learn any language on your mobile phone.